Today, I'm unboxing and showing you exactly how I use Shure's MV88 Video Kit. I am a mom of 5 and a podcast manager and a podcast strategist. And if you're anything like me, you want pro level audio without having to build an entire podcast studio. So whether you're a busy mom like me or simply just a busy person, this microphone might be the perfect fit for you if you want pro level audio and to sound amazing on the go. My name is Pamela Krista, and full transparency, I have been pretty anti-phone recording. I absolutely love my Shure microphone. I love the fact that I can plug my Shure microphone up to my MacBook, and I love how easy it makes my setup every single time I go to record. However, I also know how important it is to stay ahead on content and really truly maximize your time. That's why I invested in the MV88 Plus for those times where I need to record on the fly from my phone without sacrificing audio quality. And I needed something that sounded just as amazing as this mic right here. So if you want to check out the MV88 Plus for yourself, there is a link in the description of this video. It supports my business if you use that link, and I would greatly appreciate it. All right, so let's open it up for the very first time together, and I'm going to show you exactly how I plan on using this microphone. So this is the box that it comes in. Very cute, very compact. And so let's open it up. All right, so immediately we have this bag here, which is the stand that it comes with. So you can easily just set it up like that on the go, which is pretty cute. And then we have a quick start guide. Also inside my bag, I love Sweetwater. Sweetwater is where I get all of my gear. This video is not sponsored by Shure or Sweetwater. I just absolutely love and stand behind fully 100% these companies. And one thing I love about Sweetwater is every time I order gear, I get a bag of candy. If you have never ordered gear from Sweetwater, make sure that you do that. They are incredible. Okay, so I love this. I think this is so cute. I'm gonna have to figure out where I'm gonna put this, but I know that I'm gonna put this inside of my purse most likely. And I think I need to get a new purse, but look how cute this is. So it comes in this little, I'm just gonna call it a bag. It's almost like a toolkit. Like, it's amazing. So that's what it looks like. And so let's go from this side. Okay, here's the microphone. And so this is what the microphone looks like. It's a very cute, got the L and the R for left and right. And then you can't really see that well probably, but this is where you plug it into here, and then it goes into your phone. And then going from the next one, this one right here, this is, I assume it goes with this. Yes, okay. So actually, let's just do it right now. So if I do this, and I'm gonna do this, and I'm just gonna take that and put it here and just kind of screw it on there. This is actually so cute. And then, okay, so let's do this next one here. And then this, I assume, holds my phone. Yeah, where's my phone? So I believe it probably does this. I'm totally guessing. I have no idea what this does, but it holds my phone. See my little school kitty? It's so cute. Okay, I don't know how to, let's look at the start guide. All right, and this part right here goes right on top of this. It slides right in there, but that's not how I'm gonna use this. So I'm gonna set this actually to the side, and I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna use it in a second. And then we have these two spaces left. So this is a cord. All right, so we have that cord, and then we have another cord, and we have that one. And so that completes that. All right, so I have the MOTIV audio app downloaded and the MOTIV video app downloaded. So let's do audio first. So this is the app that I'm going to be primarily using. I don't believe I'm going to be using the video app, but you never know. So I'm going to select MOTIV audio. And obviously it says that the built-in microphone is selected right now. So I'm actually going to connect these two here. All right, so it says that the Shure MV88 was successfully connected and is ready to go, and it looks like it's working. I can see the waves. And then this is the record setting, it looks like, and here's the library and the settings. And so this is exactly how I'm gonna record my podcast episodes on the go. I'm just gonna come in here, and I'm literally just gonna hit record. And so this is a test audio recording of the Shure MV88 Plus. Super easy to use. Yay. Okay. So I'm going to hit the pause button, which has stopped it. And then I'm going to hit, if I wanted to resume, I imagine I would hit the red button again, the record button, but I'm going to hit save. Now it says recording saved, tap to rename. I'm just going to rename this test. And then if I go to library, I see that there. Beautiful. I can click on that, it looks like, I think. Oh, you know what? Oh, there we go. I have to click down there. Then to share it, I'm going to hit share, and then I'm going to send it straight to my MacBook Pro, so that way I don't have to worry about it at all. It transfers straight over from my phone to my computer. I could also use Google Drive as well if I wanted to and drop the audio file over there. All right, so now we're going to look at the Motiv video app. And it looks like the microphone is connected. I'm just waiting to see. Okay, there we go. So it is connected. Airplane mode. Yes, yes. All right. So I'm going to do another test video and we're going to see and compare the difference to both of the videos that I did, the one previously and then this one right here. All right. So this is a video using the MV88 Plus microphone. Overall, I really love this microphone. I'm excited to see the difference and I'm excited to use this microphone on the go. It's super cute, super compact, and it was very easy to use. And I'm super excited to have professional audio on the go. Yay. Okay, so now I'm going to show you exactly what my iPhone sounds like without the MV88 Plus, and then we're going to see how it sounds using the MV88 Plus microphone. All right, so this is exactly how my iPhone sounds without any microphone or anything attached to it. This is how it would sound if I was just normally recording audio for my podcast. Okay, so this is a test. I really love this microphone. I think it's super cute. I think it's super easy to use. I can't wait to hear the difference in what it sounds like, my iPhone versus this microphone. But overall, super excited. I love the Shure brand and I can't wait to record episodes on the go with amazing audio quality. And so overall, I really love this microphone. I'm definitely going to be using it to record episodes on the go. It's going to be extremely easy to use and easy to set up. And to be honest, it makes me really excited because as anti-phone as I was, this makes it really easy, but also I don't ever have to worry about my sound quality being terrible. And so no matter where you are in your podcast journey, maybe you haven't launched your podcast yet, or maybe you have been doing it for years and you are currently using your phone, I highly recommend that you get an external microphone that is at least similar to this one. So that way you can have great pro audio without all the tech headaches. And so again, I'm going to put a link to the video kit in the description of this video, but I hope you enjoyed this video. This video was actually really incredibly frustrating and difficult to make. So if you watched until the end, I greatly appreciate you. Let me know if there are any other videos like this that you would want to see so that I can create that for you. And if you're looking for the very next step after you record your podcast episodes, like how I actually host and publish podcast episodes for myself and my clients, then check out this video right here where I walk through why I use Captivate as my podcast host and exactly the features that help me manage everything as a podcast host, a podcast manager, and a mama 5. Click the video that's on your screen right now and I will see you over there.